Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I quickly would like to let you know what is anchor text and what is anchor link, and it is very simple. So quickly I want to navigate to Click and Capture Studio website, and here I want to open the blog from the main menu, and in the blogs we have written one of the blog related to South Indian bridal reception look. So I want to open the blog, and in the blog we can see the heading, and then we can see the images, and if I scroll down a little bit, here we can see the content of the blog, right? I see the blog is related to South Indian bridal reception look. Now it is in the bold so that any user who reads this particular blog, they will understand the keyword highlights of this particular blog. Now observe very clearly, South Indian bridal reception look is what we see in the highlight, right, of the entire blog at this particular place. Now when I click on South Indian bridal reception look, it is only a text. Now what exactly is an anchor text? Now exactly here we can see Click and Capture Studio. It is underlined. Maybe even before I put my mouse on Click and Capture Studio, you will think that it is a link, right? So that maybe if we click on this particular text, Click and Capture Studio, it will take us to the page related to Click and Capture Studio. It can be a home page. Now quickly I want to click on Click and Capture Studio. It opens a new tab and it takes us to the Click and Capture Studio home page, the website's home page. Now what do you understand by it? It is a clickable link. So in order to make the user experience much higher in the blog, it is always important to keep a clickable text. In short, we can call it as anchor text. Now you understand what is an anchor text, right? Now what do I mean by anchor URL? It is so simple. Now when I click on the Click and Capture Studio, it takes us to the page, to the Click and Capture Studio homepage. So whatever the URL that we are redirecting, this particular URL can be called as anchor URL. Now you understand what is an anchor URL. So coming back to the blog, I want to give you a very small understanding one more time. Whatever the clickable text that we see on the blog can be called as anchor text, and whatever the URL that is underlying, it is called anchor URL. So it is so simple. One is, it is very much benefit for the users to understand that is a clickable link, and then the most important thing is, it is very much important for the Google crawlers, Google bot or the spiders to understand the context of the blog. If we have a clickable link, if we have the anchor text onto the blog, Google bot will understand, alright, this particular link is redirecting to Click and Capture Studio homepage, and then even the Google bot will read all the content that's inside this particular homepage, and it will boost the SEO into the next level. So keeping the anchor text and anchor URL is very much important, both in user perspective as well as for the SEO perspective. And in the next video, I will show you how we can make an anchor text for wedding photography, model and event photography, and how we can keep the anchor URL for these three keywords in this particular blog. So if you really wanted to learn digital marketing, I want you to watch all of my videos. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, I want you to navigate to Edurself YouTube channel, and you can find the playlist Digital Marketing, where you can find all the videos that are related to digital marketing from the very basics. I have did more than hundreds of videos which will be very short and will be very useful to you, and I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.